Hello everyone, this is Sovi. Remember me from Sovi Sells Your Property. Let me show you my newest listing. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. Very spacious kitchen. This unit comes completely furnished, beautifully decorated, air conditioning. And are you ready for the best? This is the red ocean view. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. This community, Hispaniola Residencial Condo, is one of the most desirable community here in Sosúa. It has a private beach. This is resort style living at its best and centrally located to everything. No car needed. You are 3 minutes walk to Playa Alicia, a few minutes walk to Sosúa Beach, supermarket, restaurant, everything that Sosúa has to offer. And let me show you the bedrooms. This is an absolutely beautiful unit. And beautifully decorated. Here's the bedroom, air conditioning, TV. And suite bathroom as well. This unit is ready to go. Moved in ready or start renting it out. It comes completely furnished. Here is the master bedroom. Imagine waking up every morning to this view. Unbelievable, look at that, so beautiful. Reach out to Sovi today with any question. And here's the ensuite bathroom. An absolutely beautiful unit. Don't miss out. Reach out to Sovi Sell today for more information.